Okay, so I believe I'm back. Can you see? I will put my video off. All good. Okay, good. Sorry for this. Yeah, it's because I'm using mobile. Maybe the 5 o'clock UK time is probably not a good time because there are so many people using mobile network around. For security reason, I cannot use the Wi-Fi where I am at the moment. That's why I'm using mobile, dedicated mobile. Okay, good. So without wasting time, just another confirmation. You can see the slides, right? Okay, excellent. So I won't waste much of your time. Sorry for this. I will be editing, cutting, doing cuts and these things before we go. So this is the agenda. I will start with some pre-session comment stuff. I will go quickly on it, and then it's actually good that we are not covering much today on the thing on the main session side. So this is good. It means that we will finish probably on the thing on the hour. Sorry for this. For those of you who haven't seen the last session, I assume we have quite a few people actually joining who are new. You probably didn't have time to look at the previous session, so I'll just go quickly through this. The motivation for this crash course on group theory is essentially what we call the module 2, which will be sometimes in the summer, which will be about Lie groups, Lie algebras, and representation theory. Lie groups says here, if you go groups is the group. So this is to the little bit deeper into what groups are. In fact, this is a switch to the content that we have done last, like we finished at the end of last group, in the sense just carry of group. Okay, so what a smooth manifold is, and now we are here on the group side. You know, the way the group structure and can you see the slides? Yeah, the slides back. I'm actually tempted to let's have another try. We will finish before the hour. We will finish before the hours because we are not covering that much. Is that okay? Okay, good. So I won't be spending much time talking. If it disconnects, we postpone until we can solve this. Yeah. So anyway, I was going to say we are going to start with this. The first algebraic structure that we'll encounter is semi-groups, and then we'll go through monoids, and then finally we'll get to groups. So we'll probably be like maybe 2 or 3 sessions in these 2 algebraic structures before we go to groups. And then at some point in the groups, in the final phases of it, we will focus on real and complex matrix groups, meaning that the entries to the matrices are complex numbers or real numbers. In this case, we will be focusing on these guys here. For example, the orthogonal group and the special orthogonal group, the unitary group and the special unitary group, for instance. These are very very important guys, because they will lead us to the thing to the Lie stuff. Okay. Let me just double check. You can still see the slides, right? I'm always nervous now. Yeah. So semi groups are slides are good. Yeah. This is definitely not me. I think this is Crowdcast because my connection is good. Looks like falls apart every time. And you. No, my slides are okay. Like, okay, let's go again. Okay, can you see the next one? Yeah, okay. So I'll skip this. This is just to show you the background. So I ran a poll about the level of mathematics of the audience. So 27 people responded so far. You can see, vast majority have been exposed to university level math. So this is good. This helps give me a sense about the approach that I will take. And most importantly, over 80% have been exposed to group theory before. So this is also a good thing. It means I can be a little bit more lazier in a way, and to challenge you to go through stuff, and also maybe request your help to help the others, the 18% or so of people who haven't been exposed to group theory before. Okay, and in terms of abstraction, 48% have like some sort of feels fairly comfortable with abstraction, whereas 40% are very comfortable, and 11% are not that comfortable. So this means that I'll try to take to stay in the middle, not too abstract, but also not not lose the thing in terms of abstraction, because at the end of the day, we want you to feel comfortable handling with the abstraction. Okay, can you still see the slides?